While Ed Sheeran is quarantined due to his positive COVID test, producers for Saturday Night Live are reportedly seeking someone with a similar audience to the English heartthrob. COVID-19 is still ruining plans. After Ed Sheeran revealed that he had tested positive for COVID-19 on Sunday, October 24th, and it has put Saturday Night Live in a tough spot, according to a report by Page 6. The Shape of You singer was announced as the musical guest for the November 6th episode with host Kieran Culkin, 39, but now producers for SNL are reportedly trying to find someone to take over musical duties. When the 30-year-old singer announced that he'd tested positive, he noted that he'd unfortunately be forced to cancel in-person performances, and he would try to do things remotely. "It means that I'm now unable to plow ahead with any in-person commitments for now, so I'll be doing as many of my planned interviews/performances I can from my house," he said in an Instagram post. While Ed has made the offer to perform remotely, it seems unlikely to happen. Ed is offering to perform live via video link, but this isn't something SNL does, the source told Page 6. The show likes to have the performer in studio. Since Ed won't be able to make it for the performance, the source also mentioned that the show were looking for another singer, who appeals to the same demo, such as Shawn Mendes or Justin Bieber. Related gallery. Celebrities who were diagnosed with coronavirus: Bill Maher, Tom Hanks and more. Ed is definitely playing it safe after testing positive for COVID. A similar situation happened during SNL's 2020 season, when country singer Morgan Wallen was videotaped breaking the show's COVID protocols and seen partying in TikTok videos in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Morgan was scheduled to perform in the season's second episode with host Bill Burr, but got cut from the episode. "I got a call from the show that I will no longer be able to play. And that's because of COVID protocols, which I understand," he said at the time. The show replaced the country singer with Jack White. Morgan later appeared in the 7th episode of the season with host Jason Bateman.